Welcome back Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Friends, today's project name is Clearsight.finance. Clearsight.finance biggest blockchain-based job platform, utilizing the full power of the blockchain to have the best job platform in the world. You can post your job here and can hire freelancer from this website. Browse and buy projects. Let's help you. It will help you if you join this platform. Hire a pro for any task: design and creative, sales and marketing, writing and transaction, customer support, finance and accounting. And these are the categories where you can apply for: web engineering, mobile development, blockchain development, software engineering, quality assurance, DevOps and cyber security, database engineering. These categories are available on this freelancing website. Find, create work, 90% lower commission compared to our competitors. Earn money while you are finish other tasks by keeping your crypto in your wallet. More work opportunities arise the more tasks you finish. And this is the list of top skills categories: data entry specialist, video editor, Ruby and Rails developers, Android developer, bookkeeper, content writer, data analytics copywriter, database administrator, data scientist, front end developer, game developer, graphic designer, iOS developer. All details are available here. You can provide your services in these skills. And this is their wallet detail. You can download their application through Google Play Store. Download your mobile app, both iOS and Android apps available for you. Purchase crypto. Most credit debit cards are accepted. KYC and AML are mandatory to all purchases $1,000. You can also hire talent from this website. This is the look of their credit debit card. You deserve easy access to your money via debit card, accepted over 180 countries, fair limitation, super low fees. How you can get this debit card? Simply download your mobile app, order your debit card and pay the shipping fee. Activate it at the nearest ATM. And this is their white paper. You can simply read it. All detail about this project is available on this web page. And these are latest blog post of Clearsight.finance. You can read it. If you want to subscribe, simply type your email and click on subscribe. These are the quick links of Clearsight, and these are the social links of FB, Twitter and Telegram. You can also contact them via email. This bounty is live. You can participate in its bounty right of bounty thread. To join this bounty, this is the bounty detail, and these are the general rules for this bounty campaign. Join Telegram group, Telegram bounty group. They both are mandatory to join. And after this, you can provide your proof of authentication using this format. And these are the bounty allocation: Twitter, YouTube, Telegram, Facebook, Reddit and article. And this is mastership spreadsheet. You can check here your status. First campaign, Twitter campaign. If you have 500 followers, you can join this campaign. You will get 1 stake every. Participants have to make 5 tweets per week, minimum 2 tweets per day. Time gap between 2 tweets need to be 12 hours, and you must include these hashtags into your tweet. How to apply? This is the registration form. You can fill up this registration form for this campaign. Second campaign is Facebook campaign. If you have 500 followers, 1 stake is reward. And these are the rules for this campaign. Facebook page, follow this, and same, make 2 new posts and 3 share per week, 1 share and 1 post per day. The gap between two shares need to 12 hours minimum, and these are the hashtags you must include into your post. And this is the registration form for this campaign. And this is related campaign. If you have 500 karma, you can join this campaign. Rules are clearly mentioned here. Read these rules and apply for this. And this is Telegram campaign. You can add their Clearsight name into your profile. Also, you can replace your profile picture with this logo. These are other rules, and this is the registration form for Telegram and YouTube campaign. If you are a YouTuber, you can join this campaign. Article campaign rules are clearly mentioned here. You can read them and can apply for this campaign. This is all about this project. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.